We're recording. We got this. Okay. So now, plot 1, 2, or 3, Trey, or 4, 5. Plot 1 doesn't work. We're gonna go with plot 3. Oh, me? No. Did somebody steal my plot? Oh my god! Someone immediately stole the plot. Or is that mine now? What? I'm confused. Oh, I'm in a plot. How does this game work? I don't know. Build your gaming center. I don't have any. Oh, I have a table. All right. Oh, this is not working. Okay. Okay.
Morgan, I don't think
Bang.
this is working out.
All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. How do I rotate things? Okay. Of course with R. All right. All right. All right. What? Who are you? What? There's no PC. There's no PC. What are you doing? What? He left. What? There's no PC here, bro. How are they using the PC?
They're not.
CPU? Oh wait, I need a motherboard first, don't I? Motherboard. What? Case. Okay, edit computer. Connect. The RAM. I can't see because my face is in the way. Alright, the RAM goes there. CPU. I can't see because my face is in the way. I don't have anything else. So, yeah, there's my PC. Are you playing fucking Flappy Bird? I don't... I want to see what they're doing. Let me see.
No.
Alright.
Let them play in peace, man.
No, they will not play in peace. Can we color the PC? No? Alright. Desk. We're gonna make it carbon fiber. Oh yeah. That's right. Only the best for our creators. Okay. So what do I do now? Oh, I probably should have built the computer before I placed it down. Okay. Those are too expensive. We're gonna need the cheap stuff. Add to cart. Alright. We don't need mice or anything. We need to build a PC. Add to cart. Oh, we need coolers, of course. Oh, level 2 required. Add this CPU to cart. Oh. Yeah, I didn't have a cooler last time. The PC kind of sucked. Oh, did the last PC even have a GPU? Do I have it? Yeah, okay. Okay, I know this PC can only have 1 RAM. How much RAM is that? That doesn't tell me anything. Wait, hold on. How much RAM is that? That doesn't tell... It should at least tell me, like, the amount of, like, RAM it has.
1 gigabyte.
Ah. What does a PSU do? I don't remember. Okay, okay. Motherlord tier 1. Okay, I think we have everything. So we'll buy everything else too. Keyboard tier 1. Is that Mr. Beast? That is Mr. Beast. Why does he have a weird looking nose? What in the world? I don't like it. Alright. Can I buy desks? No? No desks? Oh, can I buy the tier 2 monitor? No, I have to buy this. Okay. We also need a case, don't... Wait, no, we already bought the case. That's right. That's right. That's right. My bad. My bad. My fault. My fault. Where do we buy the desks at, though? Okay. We're gonna purchase everything. Oh. Yep. Take my money. That's right. Where are my desks at, though? This is the store, so where's the desks? Are they up there? No? Okay. Am I just blind? Where are the desks at? PewDiePie! No. How do I buy desks? Like, this doesn't make any sense. Okay. How do I buy any of this? Oh, wait. I have to buy more land, don't I? Yes. Thank you. Alright, we got more land. Oh, yeah. Probably should. Okay. No? Okay. Trey, do you remember where you buy stuff?
No.
Like desks?
I just joined the game just to, I don't know.
Alright. So, we're gonna look around for desks. That's what we're gonna do. I'm not seeing. Oh, furniture! Aha! I'm not dumb. I found furniture. I'm so smart. Alright. So we're gonna need the chair from little 5th grader schools. Alright. We're gonna need the worst desk possible. Alright. Do we need anything else from it? Oh, can we buy this for the place? No, we can't buy any. Okay. Alright. We're gonna purchase those. Take my money. Can I teleport back to base? No. Oh, let's teleport. I could have just used the teleport to shop option. That would have been so much more smarter. What the heck? Alright. Back to base we go. Back to base we go. Let's go back to base. Why are you naked? What the hell? Alright. Build my gaming center. Y'all are gonna be right next to each other. Having so much fun. Look at that. There's nothing at the PC yet, dude. There's nothing there. How are you? There's no PC. Chill out, dude. Chill
He's
out.
schizo.
He's typing on a blank monitor. What is he? What's he doing? Build a computer. Oh wait. We need to edit the computer. Okay. So I know you start with the motherboard first. That's all I know. We also need the PSU. Heatsink. No? What? Can we not?
God damn it.
No way. There's no cooling system slots? Really? This is not a very good PC, honestly. Why does anybody pay to come use this? Oh wait, there is. What the fuck? That's the weird. Honestly, I don't know how PCs work. I don't know why I'm saying anything if this is weird. Alright. Why are the PC cases open though? People could just walk in and steal my stuff. Okay, I guess. Oh, I should probably buy a. Okay.
Where? What the fuck?
How are people playing games without GPUs? I don't understand this. Alright, I only know one has...
They just play on the CPU like Morgan does on his grandpa's old computer. He gets 30 frames per second.
30 frames per second on fucking Mario from like 1998. Alright. Now we have everything that they need for a master PC. Oh, I'm level 2 now. I can buy fans. I didn't even notice that. When did that happen? I don't have any sound on. Alright. This is probably really fucking loud, and I don't even know. How are they playing without a power supply? Don't you need a power supply for a PC?
Yeah.
So I'm confused. How are they playing without a power supply?
Oh, maybe They only need the I don't know.
All right. More carbon fiber. Apply material. Only the best for my employees. Or whoever these people are. Who just randomly goes to a place just to use a PC? I thought like... Oh wait.
Man, I hope like games like that where you sell stuff. I hope there's like a chance of someone like stealing your stuff. They just run in and you have to chase them with all the cops.
Okay, so this motherboard, I don't know what you can put in it. Oh my god, CPUs are so expensive. What the hell? 2 fans. We're gonna... 3 fans. We're gonna have 3 fans on this PC.
Holy!
This is a fucking expensive ass PC. Why is the graphics card so cheap? What the hell? We can't get the next RAM yet. That's so sad. All right. So far, we're building a beast of a PC. All right. Why the fuck is the mouse so expensive? What the hell? Oh, I didn't even buy the case yet. Eee. How expensive is this gonna be? Oh my god. Okay, guys, y'all are gonna need to give me a little more money for this, guys. I'm quite broke. Well, huh, oh, we can afford that. Thank you, I have $1 left. Okay. Give me more money, please. Thank you. Alright.
Oh.
Let's
Oh.
walk. No, actually, you know what? Let's not. Let's teleport there. Alright. Oh wait, I am level 3 now. I'm a big boy now. Chair tier 2. This is a tier 2 desk. That's too expensive. Alright. Now we just wait. Woo. Can I just walk back to my base? Or is this gonna disappear once I walk? Oh, no, I can just walk back. Okay. Thank you for using my crappy little hut as a PC place. This is like an arcade, but not an arcade. Like, I'm confused. I feel like I should be building PC for people, not having a tiny little glass hut. I don't understand. Maybe, I'm confused. Is this actually how this works in real life? Do some people actually just go to some random places to play games? I didn't know that. I felt like this is kind of weird.
Yeah, that's sort of like weirdos like Morgan. They like go to gaming cafes or just gaming places.
I didn't buy a keyboard?
Yeah.
Okay, so now somebody's just playing at a desk that has nothing on it. Because I didn't buy a keyboard for them.
Yeah, nothing. You want to go to a gaming place like that where you have to like sit with like other like 20 gamers that probably are smelly, never shower. You want to do that?
Not just any gamers, Trey. Poor gamers. We don't want to wait for a PC. But, bro, why is there so many? Wait, what? I have 2 now. What? Where did this one come from? What? This game is messing with me, Trey. Alright, you're gonna get the new and improved PC. That's right. New and improved. It's so much better. Like, watch this. We're gonna get a hardcore motherboard. That's right. With a damn good CPU. Good fucking everything. We need the most amount of fans in this PC. There's no even port for the fan to blow air from. I'm confused. These are giant heating things. Oh my god. Alright. Is that everything? Alright. Enjoy your new amazing PC. Oh wait, I almost forgot about the desk. We gotta make the desk amazing.
What the fuck?
I can't believe this. Oh my god. Alright, there you go. There, carbon fiber desk. I'm so rich now. Oh my god. Alright. So we have all these. I guess I have to upgrade the older models. I guess. Can I sell the older models? Is that a thing I can do? We won't worry about it for right now. Okay. They need newer cases. They need not better monitors because those are expensive. And I am cheap. Alright.
Why?
I'm
Cheap? Why?
I'm level. Ah, what the hell? Why is a tier 2 power source just so expensive? Level 2 RAM. That's right. They're getting the good stuff now. Tier 3 GPU. That's really expensive cooling, so they're gonna get the cheaper cooling. That's really expensive CPU. They're gonna get the cheaper CPU also. Sure.
Alright.
Oh wait, I forgot all about the fans. Alright. Those fans are really expensive, so we're gonna go with the cheaper option. Oh, actually. I don't know how many fans can fit in that thing, so I'm just gonna buy as much as I can. Beep 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 bing 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 bing. That's right, we're rich. We just bought them an upgraded PC. Screw that other person. They don't need an upgraded PC. How do I take this off?
You
Disconnect.
don't.
Disconnect. That's right, you're disconnecting your PC. Nothing's in your PC anymore. Kill yourself. You don't need a PC. How do I just take the PC? Excuse me? Pick up. Ah, I figured out how to do it. Alright. There's probably a better way to do this, but I'm just not gonna do it, honestly. Alright. We're gonna build your PC before we even place down anything. Alright, motherboard. I don't know which one's upgraded. Probably this one. Right? Yes, I think so. Alright. Place that bad boy in there. Alright. Connect. Connect. Alright, so 4 is the max. Hey, stop. Okay. 4 is the max. New improved RAM. CPU. This one's probably better. It's got more little lights and dingy things on it. This one looks more expensive. And where's my cooling unit at? There we go. Heatsink. There we go. This looks like a beast of a PC. Now you're gonna need a keyboard and a monitor. That's right. Hey, stop stealing me. Alright. There y'all go. Beast of a PC. Oh yeah, look at those graphics. Yeah. Playing what? Ah, she died. No. Are you okay? And she walked away. Okay. I found out that people can have strokes and just walk away. Alright, we're gonna need more upgraded stuff. Motherboard tier 3. Wait, can we buy a tier 4? No, level 5 is required for tier 4. We're not gonna be cheap with this PC. We're gonna buy the best. We're gonna have to be cheap for this PC. Robert is so gay. Someone tell him it's okay. This is really getting expensive really fast. Maybe I should rethought this really expensive PC thing.
No. No.
Okay, we can't get the next power supply. So, do I need anything else? Oh, that's right. We need an upgraded case. Can we get a tier 3? Oh, we can. But now we have to wait. I don't like waiting. Alright, is that enough? That is. Ching. I'm so rich. Or you're getting an upgrade. Pick up. Alright. Build your gaming center. Place down the table. Build your PC. Place down the case. Look how much gamer that looks. Oh my god, it looks so gamer. Alright. That's the newer one, right? No, it's not. That's the old one. The dirty, stinky one. GPU. Oh, look how cool that one looks. RAM. The purple RAM, of course. Fans. Fan 1. Fan 2. Fan 3. Fan 4. I need more fans, apparently. Oh, we need a heatsink. That's actually good. And this power supply. I actually don't need to start. I need to stop buying these power supplies because I think they're quite expensive and I keep buying them. And that's not good. Alright. So we got that now. I think that's pretty good. We're gonna need a chair. Hold on. Bro, nothing's there yet. Hold on. Chill out. You're not even clicking on anything. What are you doing? Stop it. Click on something, please. This PC is like working, right? Why is the screen not working? Please actually play the PC. Good. This is a gamer right here. Look at everybody else. Don't look like gamers. This guy's a gamer. Oh, bye. Alright. We're gonna need to start upgrading these monitors. They're not good enough. Just not good enough. Alright, what are the next monitors? This is the next monitor. This is the third monitor. We need it. Maybe not. It's a little expensive. We're gonna need 3 of these then. That's right. 3 whole monitors. How do I just pick up one thing off of the edit table? Oh, that's neat. I didn't know that. Build my game. No. Build my hardware. Are you okay, sir? Y'all need to stop falling out of these chairs. Robert is so gay. Oh. How do I hit confirm? Oh, okay. Edit table. Pick up. Build my gaming center. Bang. Return. Edit this table. This monitor. Literal shit. Get this new one in. That's right. Because we're just that cool here at the gaming store of America. That's right, you pay to game. Like this girl, she looks like such a gamer. Like, this is what gamers look like here. This guy actually looks like a gamer, honestly. Like, I feel like this is what actual gamers would look like. Crosses on them. You know. Does anybody nowadays actually go to these places? Like, I feel like this would be like... This is kind of like going to the library. To use the computer. Question is, oh, I should probably, actually, no, there's no question about it. We need to buy all new keyboards. Is that nice? Oh, what's this? We need new mouses? Don't mind if I do. I'll buy all these mouses. Because my people need me. Alright. This desk. We don't even like it anymore. Just pick up everything. You need to type? You don't even need to type. Who needs to type? Unless you got this thing. That's right. It's got a big red button on it. Who could deny this thing? That's a crappy... Oh, this thing doesn't even have... Why? It doesn't even have a mouse. How are y'all doing anything? What? I'm so confused. These people make no sense. Alright, keyboard sucks. All the tier 2 stuff absolute sucks. Alright. You need the tier 3 stuff. And upgrade from the tier 2. Look at this stuff. It just looks cooler. Come on, who could deny it? Actually, I'm gonna sell my stuff. Sell, sell. So much money. Hey, stop being Jewish. Sell, sell, sell. Oh, stop it. Okay. Sell, sell. RAM. Sell, sell. Fans. Motherboards. Sell, sell. That's right. Everything. Sell, sell. We don't need it. All cheap. We want the expensive stuff here. We don't take any bullcrap. That's right. We're selling all our mouses. Cases. We don't even need them. All these. Disgusting. I can't believe I even bought them in the first place. Oh my god. Alright, we could add another desk. But we need to keep... Oh, I can't even believe I forgot. We forgot to color the desks. I can't believe this. Apply material. That's right. We forgot. I can't believe this. Apply material. Y'all need carbon fiber. Y'all need to look cool.
No.
They do, Trey. They do. Let's see. This case is pretty darn neat, not gonna lie. How much money do I have? So the inside of the PC is what really matters. So we're gonna build an all-new PC with the tier 2 power unit, tier 4 RAM. This is getting really expensive. Tier 5 GPU. Tier 3 cooling. I can't afford any of these CPUs. Tier 3 CPU. This is getting really expensive. Tier 4 motherboard. Can we put another piece of RAM on there yet? No. I think that's next level? Yeah. I think. Never mind. We can put... Is that 3? No, that's 2, right? That looks like 3. And let's just how, like, this tier's RAM is supposed to look like or something. It's really expensive. Really expensive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's how much we need. Alright, we need to get more money. Come on, guys. Work harder. Work harder. What are y'all doing? Work it. Oh my god. You're not doing y'all's jobs. Come on. Pay me money. Now. Stop slacking off, guys. Come on. Why are you taking so long? That's what I thought. Go faster. All y'all go faster. Alright. Somebody's getting a new PC upgrade. And for what it looks like, the oldest PC here is this one. So, edit this table. Remove this PC. Computer hardware. We need. Oh wait, is this the better case? No. I didn't buy another better case, did I? Hmm. All right. Those people, they don't need PCs. Nah. No case for their PC. They can just use the screen. Tier 3. Tier 4 is really good though. I just gotta wait for people to give me money. And this person can get all new upgraded PC. Come on, guys. You don't even need a PC. Guys, please. Guys. Come on. What are you doing? What was that? What? Now you're playing Galaga. Okay. Alright. Build PC. Or not. That person died again. Alright. It's this one. I remember because it looks like it has 3 RAM slots, which I don't think it does. It does! Okay. That's a game changer. Okay. Which one's the better GPU? That one looks better, but I don't know. Hey, stop spinning around. Stop it. Fan. 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 More fan. More fans. There's nothing wrong with the fans. Alright. 6 fans. Stop it. Stop it. Alright. ECU. Which one was the better one? I don't remember. Can we put multiple? No. Okay. Well, I guess we'll see after. Did I put the I did put the GPU in. I think this is good. Okay. Remember. Okay. Black GPU. I can't remember what level that was. Okay, let's go look at these fucking everything. So just look at everything. All right. PSU. What's the upgraded one? Alright, it goes right on that one. What about the GPUs? I was also right on the GPU. Sweet. Nice. But we need more RAM. So we need to buy better RAM. Better RAM. That's too expensive. That's not. Alright. Tier 4 RAM. We got 2 more of it. Although this might be not actually what this means though. We'll see. RAM. Oh, that's 2? What is I bought too much. Whoopsie daisy. A little too much. Well, okay. I think that's good enough. Alright. I think that was pretty good. We now have the PCs in order from middle to, if you counted this backwards in the loop, okay? You went like, you know, middle, right, left, you know, everything. I think it would be perfect. Alright. Thank you guys for joining me. That is the end of PC Building Tycoon 2. Farewell.